Question 8. Draw the single logic gate that each truth table represents. Take note, we can only draw one single logic gate. Now let's look at the first table. The output is 1 when both A and B are 0. So my first reaction, this is not A and not B. But if we do it this way, we will have 1, 2, 3 logic gate, which doesn't fulfill the requirement. Approach the question from a different angle. If we invert these outputs, it will be 0, 1, 1, 1. Now look at this column. This is actually A or B. And the output is just an inversion of this column. So this is actually not A or B. So this is a NOR gate. We can draw the second table. We can use a similar approach. Invert the output column. We will have 0, 0, 0, 1. And this column is A and B. Output is an inversion of this column. So this output is not A and B. This is a NAND gate. The last table is the simplest. This is A and B.